Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm showing you all a project that I did for a church. What this project here is, it's a information website that basically shows anyone that visits this website, they will get information on what updates that the church has. I've used Odoo, the software, to build this website. This is the first time that I have used Odoo to build another website. Usually I build them from scratch. Yeah, this was just a cheaper option for the church. Obviously, for more complicated things, you would need someone to build it. For like a simple information website, well, you can just use like these website templates. Before we get into today's video, make sure you like the video, share and subscribe, and let me know what is your thoughts on this website, if you all like it, if you all don't. From the beginning, you can see we have like the logos, the different tabs that the website has, a contact. This top part here is obviously not part where you see like new and edit, and these things are not technically part of the website. It's just like for me to configure the website. Yeah, so if I were to go on join us today, you see that it will basically like take you to this contact us page. Then let's go on the about us, and if we go on the about us, scroll along and you will see all the different people that contribute to the church, and you see that like in the footer as well, the different social media links and the contact page. If I click privacy, well, there isn't any as yet, but you have to work on that. Then you go on events, and for the event page, basically like I can just create an event. Basically an event would show here on the screen, but obviously there's no events to create as of now. And then if you scroll along now to the home page, that you will see like there's a pictures. Like if I press on like learn more, okay, so I guess that the learn more is not functional, these things as yet. Then there's like the frequently asked questions, the different types of services that they have, the leaders from the church. I find this could have been a bit better, but I guess it is what it is. Then there's information about the church as well to the right hand side here, and like a phone number and like the account, and also like a search bar where you can like search different things. And also as well, they have the logo to the side here, and that takes you back to the home page. So it's a link with the home logo that takes you back to the home page. Also as well with this website, how I built it is that Odoo gives you like a certain set of questions, and you just have to answer those questions, and from there you can build this website. So, and they also give you like three options as well, three different types of websites, and you can choose whichever one you would like to continue with. And once you click on that, you would basically like get to edit the website from there. That's like a little insight of what Odoo does. And also there is a database connected to this, but because of sensitive data, can't really show that. Pretty much about it here for this website. Hopefully you all enjoyed it, you all liked the video, and you all learned something new. And yeah, I'll catch you back in another video.